Okay, so what did we do last time? Last time we had this quite big number here and we divided by 7. Now I'm going to take the same number and I'm going to divide by a larger number. I'm going to say 110484, which we had before, divided by 31, let's say. Chunk. Okay, well there it is. Let's just have a think about this. In thousands, how many thousands have we got? We've got 100,000, and we're dividing by 31. Actually, we've got slightly more than 100. We've got 110,000. So we've got a slight. This is quite easy to do. That's approximately equal to 3. Yeah, because 100 divided by 33 and a third is 3 exactly, and we're dividing by a little bit less than that. So approximate, just rough figures, we've got about 3,000. Now we're actually, that's an underestimate, because we've actually got a bigger number here. We've got 110,000, and instead of dividing by 33, we're only dividing by 31. So this is an underestimate. That's an underestimate. But I can write down here the answer is approximately 3,000, or a bit bigger, or a bit more. Okay, where's my eraser? Stroke eraser. I'll get rid of all this. Now then, it's always good. Go on. It's always a good thing to start down writing your 31 times table, which I don't actually know offhand, but this will come in quite handy when we start to do the serious work. So there's 1. This is 31 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 31s are 62. I'm just adding 31 each time. Look, and I can add another 31 dead easily. That's 93. Yeah, that figures, doesn't it? And I want to add another 31 onto it. What am I going to get here? That's going to be 4, and that's 12. So that's 124. Plus another 31. 551 155. You see it divides by 5. It goes into 5 exactly because, well, it should do, because it's 31 times 5, but you see the last digit checks out. It could be a 5 or a 0 there, I guess. Times 6, 681, 186, plus another 31, oops, 7, 217, plus another 31, 8, 4, 2, 248, 9, 9, 7, 2, 7, 9. See, I'm just laying the groundwork here. Plus 31, 0 down, 1 to carry, 1, 310, well, So, look, what this line here is saying, let's just get it all. 31 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 310. Well, we knew that. So that kind of checks out, because I didn't do that multiplication directly. What I did was just add 31 to itself 10 times, or just by direct addition. And it checks out by just adding a 0 on to multiply by 10. We don't actually need that there because in division, but we'll put it in anyway, just to check that we're right. Okay, I'll just pinch that up a little bit. Okay, so 31 into 11 doesn't go. 31 into 110, where are we up to? There's 62, 93, 124 is too big. We haven't got 124 there, but we have got 93. So that's 3 31s, that goes there. And we write the 93 down here. You see, we've cleverly got all our ducks in a row here. And then you have to subtract that to see how much you've got left over. So we know that 93 plus 7 takes us up to 100, and we need another 10, which is 17. And remember, always add up just to check. So 7 and 3 is 10, 0 down, 1 to carry, 9 and 1 and 1 is 11, so that checks out. And it's the same process. I'm going to bring that 4 down, there he is, and we check out against our table to see where we are. So 124 we can do, 155 we can do, 186 we can't, because we've only got 174 to play with, but we can do 155, so that puts us a 5 there. 5, and that was 155. subtract off. Oh, it's not entirely straightforward, is it? We need to borrow 1 from there and make that a 6, and that goes up to 14. 14 take away 5 is 9, 6 take away 5 is 1. And of course the 1 take away 1 is a 0. And then we can bring this guy down here. 198. Where are we up to? We can do 6 because that takes us up to 186. Can we go up to 217? No, we can't because we've only got 198. So it's not 7, it's a 6. There's a 6. 6 31s are from here 186. And we subtract to see how many we've got left over. So it's 2, 1, 12. Bring the 4 down. I always put these sort of dotted lines so I know which ones I've done and which ones I haven't. Yeah, when I was at school I was taught just to put a dot underneath it to denote that it had been brought down. But oh, look, it goes exactly. Look at that. 124 goes exactly 4 times. So there's a 4, and there's 31 times 4 is 124. 0. Remainder nothing. How about that? It just magically goes into it. That's nice. That's nice. I wasn't expecting that. That's just pure chance, that is. Okay, so we've got a nice answer and it's exact. But does it check out? Yes, it does. It checks out because here I originally estimated that the answer was 3,000 or a bit more. And we had 2 reasons for it being a bit more, because my approximation was derived by dividing by 33, and we're only dividing by 31, so you get a bit more. And the approximation also was derived by taking 100,000, and we had 110. The real number is 110,000, so we had a bit more for 2 reasons, and that's taken my approximate answer up to 3,000 from 3,000 for the approximate answer up to the real answer of 3,500, which is too big, really. I feel a bit. I wouldn't say ashamed, but frankly I should have done better than that. I feel that I should have been able to have a more tight estimate, so I wouldn't give myself a high mark for this. Okay, we haven't finished yet though, because what we've got to do now is multiply our number to see whether we get the right answer. So we've got 3564 times 31 should take us back to 110484. So 3564 times 31. Well, the 1's easy. That's the 1. And now the 30 here. So put the 0, and now we just multiply by 10. The 0 to multiply by 10. And then this 3, it's as though we were just multiplying by 3, but we write the numbers in a one to the left because we've got the 0 there. 3 4s are 12, 2 down, 1 to carry. 3 6s are 18, plus 1 is 19, 9 down, 1 to carry. 3 5s are 15, plus 1 is 16, 6 down, 1 to carry. 3 3s are 10. No, they're not. 3 3s are 9, plus 1 is 10. And we've got to add those together because we're multiplying by 31. There's the 30 and there's the 1. 4, 8, 9 and 5 is 14. 4 down, 1 to carry. 6 and 1 is 7 and 3 is 10. 0 down, 1 to carry. 1, 1. Haha! 110484. 110484. See how I always take the time to check? You know, it doesn't hurt to do that. Just check. I'm a bit yeah, I'm not entirely happy with this one. I think it's important to reflect on what you do mathematically in your mathematics and see if it's worked out well or badly. And I don't think this one's worked out very well. I wasn't expecting a 0 remainder, which is a bit of a surprise. And also, my estimate was a bit poor because I estimated 3,000 and it should have been 3,500. So, not giving myself full marks there. Okay, but there's division. I'm going to stop there. Okay.